When it comes to floating point numbers, comparisons cannot be absolute. Floating point numbers are approximations made to fit into a fixed number of bytes, typically 4 for float and 8 for double. A single precision 32-bit float has around 7 digits of accuracy. Even trivial calculations may not compare equal. So let's see that in practice. Two very simple numbers. And we'll add them together. So, how come the addition, which looks correct, gives a false comparison? The easiest way to check that out is to have a look at it as a double, which gives you much more precision. Aha! Look at those spurious digits. And it can be resolved by using the compare almost equals from Abel. Now we are true. Now compare also allows you, as you can see here, to provide a minimum change. So I could add to that by going to here and going E3F, providing the same answer.